I stay on my ninja-ish 24/7. Obi the Shinobi, dropping them gems for the squad. What up, my ninjas? Squad! The world expects you to be perfect. Learn how to laugh by yourself. Laughter is the cure for most of our depressing matters. Straight up. You're gonna find me in nature, meditating like a real shinobi, because I'm gonna get in touch with myself. And once I recharge, I'm gonna come back 10 times stronger and hungrier. Peep game, square business, real spill. Feel the power of the shinobi army. In war, practice peace. In peace, practice war. So when it happens, you will know what to do. You feel what I'm saying? By deception, we wage war. All intelligence agencies are great deceivers. Control your opposition. I can't stress that enough. Control your opposition. Say it 3 times. I bet it'll get stuck in your head. Hiya, dropping them gems. Never fret on the small shit. The first casualty of war is truth. Will there be a war if there wasn't any truth? Like, subscribe, share, become part of the Ninja Squad. Become part of something. Obi the Shinobi. Shout out to the Ninja Squad. I'm sending y'all some energy. Obi Bomb.